I'm going to put that in the kit. Okay. Where do we go? Right. Oh, nice cup of char. Okay, just turn the glue gun off. Now, I need a basket. So first of all, I need this, which is for the trinkets and stuff like that. And then I'll do the trims and whatnot. Let me just find a area I can use this basket. To add everything into it. So I'm going to put everything in there. And I'll put it on the deck to start with. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to use the bags around me, see what I've got. Oh, right, that's nice. That'll free that bag up. I've got this beautiful, look at that. Now you can cut all of them out. That can be a big one. You can cut that out, make that one a frill of some sort for flowers. Lots of usage for that one. These go on the internet. I've been looking at them, so I know I'm selling my doilies cheaper than anybody else. But these go on the internet, this size, you're talking about £9. So that's a lot of money for a doily. Not with us. Right, so you've got that to start with. I'm going to put this trim in. Let's see. I'm just going around with what's around me. Some of it was left from yesterday. So I'm just going to cut a piece. I don't particularly care or worry about how much because it's a random kit. If you missed out on yesterday's, grab this one because I don't know how many of these I'm going to do. So we've got, that's double. So you've got quite a bit there. Okay, then I've got, so let's have a look. Those doilies I've just used. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Let me just see. Oh, I put 2 of these in that kit yesterday that I didn't show earlier. So I'm going to put another 2 of these in as well. 2 of those. See what else they have. Actually, it was 2 of them, not them. But we're going to do that anyway. So, plenty of doilies. Yeah. Now, let's see. We need, oh, a bit of this, I think. So, see that trim? It's just stunning. So, that's a large piece. And I'm going to put that in this kit. I'm going to put that trim in. I'm going to put this in that I did say I had left from yesterday. I cut it into 2 if you remember. So that's a nice big piece. So that's there. Let's have a look at what we have. I saved a piece of that for this kit. Oh, yes. Now, this is the fabrics I know I will never use. Because I only like certain fabrics, patterns, when they're patterned. So I'm going to put these 2 in. I mean, that is pretty. So you've got the roses, the flowered one, and you've got that one. So that's those. Oh, a piece of this in as well. Same as yesterday's. This is a vintage one. It's got that, the way it's been cut from a tablecloth. But you can use this, you know, so you can start there. So I'm going to leave that end in. So you get all of that. Okay. And then, yes, I'm going to put a piece of this in as well. Now, I'm not putting the other one in that had the big ones that match that because you've got that big doily that's got plenty in. But I am going to put in some of this trim. I'm going to put that in. So there's about a yard of that particular trim. Okay. Now let's have a look at what we've got here. So I've got one of these. Now it's got a wired butterfly, but that needs to be brought down a little bit and wrapped around there. That's it. So I've got you one of these. Oh, they're just gorgeous. It's got lots of little bits on and a little butterfly there and some beads. So I've got that, and I'm going to put that in that bowl. Let me see, it's just gorgeous. Look at it. So that's going to go in that bucket for now. Again, we've got 6 of these. Oh, it's 12, wasn't it? So it's 2, 4, 6, 9, 12. So I'm going to do that with those as well. Let me just see what else there is. Just hang on in there. Another one of those. You can take that off altogether and just have the metal if you want it. Let me see. Oh, there's one of those. Left from the Bohemian kits. I made up loads of those for the Bohemian kits, so that's why I'm letting them go now, because I don't need them. And somebody might as well use them. At the end of the day, that's what they're for. We was trying to keep those colours, weren't we? A couple of leaves there that were handmade. Oh, and a couple of these. Yeah. A couple of those. Another one of those. Okay. So that's out of that. What's in this one? Oh, I've got some gorgeous lace here. Gorgeous. It's that one. The spotty one. So you've about a yard of that one as well. Oh, probably a metre actually. So that's that one. Let me see what else. Oh, yep. And we've got a yard of that, which is remember the cotton one? It does need a good iron, but you know, it's been in a bag. Like I said, I was using it for things when I do my crafting and videos. And I put all my spares from projects into bags. So you've got that one as well. And then I've also got some of this one. Oh yes, I've got this as well. Yay! Right, this is a sticky back one. But nice colours. So I've got that for you. Oops, sorry. Yeah. Now I didn't have any cording, but what I've done is I've wrapped some of this up so you've got some wool to play around with. Let's have a look. We also have a piece of this. These have all come from the bags that I had things in from projects. So you've got a piece of that. Oops. Yeah, let's have a look. Some of that. And this is just beautiful. It is a kind of cord, if you know what I mean. But it's multicoloured. It's like it's been dyed. So I'm putting a piece of that in for you. Super soft as well. Right, that can go back in that bag. I just have to go through the bags at the side of me. Oh, right, we want some of these trinket things in at the moment, don't we? So where's my little box? Hang on, folks. We need some buttons, so I'm just going to grab some buttons like that. Plenty there for you to play around with. Where did I put my little box? What did I do with it? Oh, I don't know. There we are. So, let's have a look, see what we can fish out of here. I think we use one of those. Put one of those in. Oops. One of those in. That one. That one. That one. Oh, look. We'll put a couple of those in. Let's see what else we have. I want one with a pearl in. Put one of those in. Just hang on to have some with pearls in somewhere. And we can put those bits in. One of those, some of those. It's alright, you can get to see them when you open them. Yeah, I just put as much in. I mean, although I know I've got a lot, I only put in as much as I can per kit. If I put it all in one kit, I wouldn't be able to sell any more, would I? But I always make sure you've plenty. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. Oh, the key. Now, I did say I was going to put one of those beautiful, beautiful keys in. And I am. There's your key. They're like a bronze. Quite heavy. But I love them. Let's have a look. See if we've got anything that's super nice in this one. Let's have... Oh, yes. Look at this. Hang on. The diamond, this peels off. You peel the front off as well as the back. The diamante butterfly. We'll put that one in. And is it that? No, I got the other one. Let me just go and get the other one, which I did yesterday, didn't I? Yeah, one of those. So that's going in. Let's see what we've got in here. Because this all has to go. I will never, ever, ever. There's some more of the spacers. Now you put them on stick pins. Crisscross them. And you're getting a bag of those. Like I say, I will never, ever, ever be able to use it all up. Ever. And I'm putting in this one so you can make flowers and whatnot. Or a brooch. The pin and that one. Now let's have a look what's in this jar. And I do try and use them all up. Oh, one of those. The metal butterfly. One of those. Beautiful. So I think we've got that one as well. Same colours. Okay, that's those. Right, okay. I'm going to put some beads in. Let me just see what we've got here. Bring this tub out. Like I say, just putting a handful in of lampwork beads. So that's that one. Also going to put in some of the big beads from yesterday. So we'll put the orange one in, put that one in, put those two in as well. And one of those. Plenty there for you to play around with. Right, we've got some... Oh, look at these. One of those. It's a bracelet, so you can use... They can... Because they're already linked, you know, with the metal link on, you can just cut the elastic and then attach them to make yourself a charm for your bag. Or something. Let's have a look, see what else we can do. So that's that. Just hang on, because let's just have a look. Put some fancy ones in. Oh, nice one there. Some metal beads for you to make a dangling charm thing. Like I say, just bags and bags of stuff. Just gonna delve into this one. Glass beads. What have we got here? Have we got any jewellery we can put in? Don't forget, everything will depend on the weight as well. There's like a nice crystal. I'm looking for colours. That's something you can take apart and use them beads. Oh, look at this. Some gold you can use. Oops. Now, let's see what else there is. And that matches the colours. yes, I don't know what else there is we can throw in. That one, see? So that's going in there. Now I do have the flowers to do and whatnot, so we can sort those out next. Wait a minute, wait a minute. So we've got some cream ones. They can go in there. Trying to get flowers that match. Little bits and pieces I might have made. These kits are never ever the same. They're just random kits that I do. You know, so you're just getting a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Some more flowers. You'll get to see what they are when they arrive. We'll make a nice little box of goodies up for you. There we go. Plenty of flowers in there. Sorry, they're all those. Put 6 of those in. And what else can we do? Anything in here to go in? And the chain that you can do your you know, your whatchamacallit with. Charm thing to hang off your charm, your bag. I'll put some more bits and pieces in because at the end of the day, oh, we needed 2 lots of that, didn't we? Right, oh, so I'm going to put those in. That's nice, nice colours. So we've got those in now. Oh, and this. I know, I keep finding more things. The Nottingham lace. Everything that was at the side of me yesterday. Nice big piece of that. Put the other one in, and there's the vintage one that we're going to do. Plenty of it is original vintage, so if you want to iron it or spend the time doing it, that's up to you. Then we want this one, which is the Chinese braid, and then this one, which is also a braid, and it's beautiful. You know, I put the leaf trim in yesterday. Well, in this particular one, I'm going to cut some for you to play around with. Oh, and we have a piece of this as well. Nice big piece of that. So, like I say, let me see. Oh, look at that. Beautiful big crystal. Look at that. Huh. I just want you to... Oh, here we are. You've got that to alter. Like that. Now I would cut this off, and I've done mine with just my sharp knives. Just cut them off. You've got that to alter. I'm just trying to see if there's anything else that we can help. Right, that's it for this kit. I will tot it up and let you know at the end of the video. There's your tassel. One of those. That was the end of line trim. Piece of that one, which is plenty big enough to do a flower. That's also big enough to do a flower, and that can be edging somewhere. That's the kit. I'll tot it up and let you know. Oh, go on, we'll put that in as well, because they're all oddments that are just left. There you go, kit. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.